Riads built in Morocco were traditionally built by wealthy families and people with money, but in the modern era, many of these traditional riads have been converted into boutique hotels, guest houses, or bed and breakfasts. The charm of these riads really lies in their intimate, homely atmospheres with their stunning tiles and intricate design details. I was just really impressed by all the woodwork and the intricate details of the room, the colors, even that beautiful comforter on the bed, that's a Berber comforter, and just the stained glass windows looking out into the courtyard. It's all quite charming and just really beautiful. The bathroom was just so exciting for me to walk into. It was a fresh, brand new tub. It was very clean. So I had some nice soaks, and just the tiles just don't get old for me. They're absolutely stunning, as are all the details in the windows, the doorknobs, and the hallways. Just honestly, everything. What's not to love? There is not a bad room in this house. Every room has a bathroom in it, and all the design is very clean, very cohesive, but each room has its own kind of vibe and flair. I really like the green and gold details of this bathroom. Subtle but gorgeous. So on to room number 3. There actually is one more bedroom downstairs. I regret I did not capture it. Thought I did, but I guess not. So this is bedroom number 3. Like I said, not a bad room in the house. This one is a little smaller, but it's still sweet. It's still pretty with the soft pink. And an interesting bathroom. It looks like a closet, like locked away closet type of thing, but it's just the toilet. So this is the 4th and final room upstairs. This one's really, really pretty. I personally love this little dressing wardrobe, this chest. I love the soft gold and the green, really elegant color choices in this whole house, honestly. And then these 2 chairs, this look like a great spot, just sit, have a chat, have a glass of wine. Really, really feeling the shower, this beautiful mint green and the brass touches, really, really elegant. So we definitely took advantage of the downstairs area and the pool. That's my homegirl Siobhan soaking it up, and my friend Joanne as well, just floating. It was really nice to have that calm, private area. But we did take advantage of the rooftop quite a bit. The rooftop was a vibe. You'll notice the plastic covering. You actually can look down into the house. But this little nook was great. We used to sit up here and just laugh, have coffee, have breakfast. And really, the rooftop is just gorgeous. There's actually a shower off in that corner. We had some really nice meals. I made some sardine pasta and salad and baguette, and we had some wine. So we definitely took advantage of this rooftop. It was really cute. There's some orange trees. I'm really grateful that I got to experience such a beautiful home with friends who can appreciate it and have fun with me too. And I just look forward to the next crib that I can luxuriate in. See y'all soon.